Today is the interview with the founder of sustainable fashion brand natur. This is a German brand, and they are producing their garments in Turkey, and they also have a control about the production of the cotton and everything. And this sustainable fashion brand is made the garments with 100% cotton and 100% wool, and they are really sustainable because they have certification, gold certification, and they have also Oikotex certification. And that's why we are really excited and we are happy that we have a collaboration with them. So today the interview with Mr. Mehmet Unsal. Mehmet.
Thank you for having us again. I'll go back to the, I'll take it over how we started this organization. It was, like I said, in 2015 we started with the brand. And the background is, I studied engineering, but I never got a feel of the engineering vibe. I always wanted to be more in sales, have a little, have the energy flow, travel, meet new people, and do sales and seeing my product, seeing our product in different lands, worn by different people, that makes me happy. And yeah, and today we're here. Any other questions? Next ones.
Yes. The first question is about your brand. Could you please tell us how your brand was born? And because this is a second attempt, where did you get such an interesting name? Because Iggy, it's natur, it's really interesting, and it's not suitable for something. There is no any analog with this interesting name. Okay.
Well, the name was found by a former colleague of mine. He's the one that came up with the idea of the concept Iggy natur. And I thought the Iggy name rhymed quite well with our company name, Ege. So it's like a lighter version for kids. And I said, all right, let's go with the name. And yeah, and it's accumulated, and now we're here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why did you decide with, I know that your background in industrial engineer in San Diego, in the USA, and why did you decide to start this interesting entrepreneurship journey?
Well, our family business was in the textiles industry. And after working with so many brands from all over the world, from the US, from Europe, from Asia, we've seen this. We've seen the dynamics of building a brand, and we said, why not build our own brand with all this know-how that has been accumulated over the years? And then we turned this into branding. Yes.
Okay. What is your unique selling proposition? From my perspective, your unique selling proposition, it's an interesting design, and it's only my personal opinion. Maybe I'm wrong, but it's my opinion. And also very good quality of the garment, very good quality, because it's not only about the, what I mean, it's design and everything. It's how to say, the full concept of the your brand. And this is my opinion, but I need to know your real opinion, because you are the founder of this brand.
Well, the main thing about our garments is the quality of cotton used. As you might know, as many of the people following might know, Aegean cotton, what we use, is one of the best cottons in the world. So when the cotton is good, you get better yarn and you get better fabric, and in the end, you get better products. What another thing about our brand is everything done, every step is local. Every part, from the cotton to yarn to fabrics, even the designers, even the marketing team, even the team that does social media, everything is local. Everything takes place within 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers of the headquarters of the company. So when you have the soul, when it represents some city, some area, I feel like the brand has more character.
Okay. Could you please tell a little bit about this? Because you mentioned that it's local, and for organic for cotton, I know that Turkey has one of the best place in the whole world for production of the cotton. And actually here in Switzerland, there is a deficit of 100% cotton, you know, uh, even for, not only for production, but even for import, you know. And that's why we also choose your sustainable fashion brand, because it's really very good quality, and it's 100% and for sure because you have such a certification. And what requirements do you meet in sustainable fashion, except this control about the production? And is there production supervision from sustainability point of view?
From a sustainability point of view, I mean, well, first of all, when you take up a product, as you said, it has many steps in the background. And we need to make sure, well, sustainability is not only about the material, it's all about the supply chain as well. So once you have a product, you have to think about the solidarity and the people behind the scenes. So at some level, and this can be also assured by different standards or just by laws, by brands, they also have some values they follow. You would like to have some kind of uh, you want to make sure that your supply chain is also taken care of. So this also is sustainability to me. So we're raising sustainable generations. We're creating a sustainable atmosphere with people, with products, and with the environment.
It's absolutely matched with our main idea, because we provide our software like a full digital supply chain for sustainable fashion brands only, because we will start with the sustainable sourcing suppliers with materials, recycled materials and also organic. And after this, they can offer this material on our platform through PLM. And also sustainable fashion brand can choose it. For example, there is also another brand in Finland, and they have infinite recycled material. You know, this is a, how to say, part of the, it's not the future, it's nowadays. And it's really, how to say, very important for the whole world, because when you can choose this material, when it will be infinite times to recycle, you needn't to produce any, you see. And that's why it will be, how to say, it will be also a very good efficiency and effectiveness for the whole process, you know. And we will help to the whole economy to provide the circular economy, yeah. And also, except fashion brands and sourcing supplies, we will attract also producers and 3D knitting factories. At this moment, I'm in negotiation with Netherlands company. They have such an also 3D knitting plant, and they are doing this. And it's very important also to attract sewing factories who are really who really care about sustainability. And you're absolutely sure, how to say, you're absolutely right when you told that sustainability, this is the most important, this is a part of supply chain, yeah. And could you please tell us about your eco packaging, because we know that you are using eco packaging, and maybe you will tell about also in this area, because this is also part of supply chain and sustainability.
Well, I mean, there's different packaging options we use. It's usually, like I've said in your previous question, it has been accumulated working with different customers, different sustainable customers, business partners from all over the world. We have received the input of what's out there, what are our sustainability options. So after this, we decided to use craft paper or recycled paper for our hang tags, and for the packaging, instead of regular plastic, we decide to use biodegradable plastic-like materials. And I have one question for you as well, Venera. How did you decide to get into the fashion business, the sustainable fashion business, and found us brands and the other ones you're working together with?
Okay, actually, you know that my background is not from the fashion industry. I'm IT person. I'm a former chief architect. This is a person who analyzes business processes and provide applications, you know. But actually, this digital supply chain, it consists of different multi-cloud tech platforms, you know, different platforms. And this is, how to say, especially match with my experience. And also I have a passion in Industry Print 4.0. And you know that in our tech platform, we are using this AI-based scenario for marketing platform. And also, actually, our idea is a digital twin profession. And digital twin, you know, this is a term from Industry Print 4.0, which Klaus Schwab from WEF, World Economic Forum, he is the founder of this World Economic Forum, he created this term. And I actually also implemented this digital twin for Kazakhstan petrochemical industry. That's why it's fully, how to say, match with it. And except this, before this, I didn't even know about this fast fashion problem. I didn't think about it, that this is a real big problem for the whole planet. And that's why for me, it's very important to have a motivation, to have a, how to say, aim or goal with which I can, how to say, do my job on everyday basis without any, how to say, doubt, you know. That's why it's very important also to help people and to produce and sell only what people need, because on our tech platform, it will be also 3D avatar. It will be a virtual fitting. And based on this virtual fitting in the future, this is our, how to say, dream, but we are going to this dream every day, step by step, that we will also change the garment, the design of the garment based on the scenarios. And we have already, how to say, learned this experience from ETH. ETH, you know, this is a second university after MIT here in Switzerland, in Zurich. And actually, they have already done these scenarios for symmetry. And our aim, how to say, to change design without a designer, like a car driving without a driver. So to change it in automatical mode, you know, and based only on scenarios and on this, how to say, technical algorithms, and for sure according to the body of the person. And when we will achieve this, we will produce only what people need, and people will buy it because they will buy, how to say, tailor-made garment. Okay, this is the most important. And by the way, what materials do you use?
At the moment, for natur, we use 100%, or we have 3 blends at the moment, 2 blends and 1 pure. 100% organic cotton, 95% organic cotton, 5% elastan, and 95% wool, 5% elastan. And back to the collaboration we had a few weeks ago. How did you find out about our brand? Like, did you find it online, or did you find it through some platform? How was your first?
Actually, actually, it's a secret, really. It's a business secret, but I will share with you for sure. We started from the certification. We started from certified sustainable brands, and from this list of goods. And you were in this list. And for us, this is a, how to say, it's not a blah blah blah. It's not a blah blah blah. There are a lot of blah 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 sustainable brands, you know, on the market. But for us, the most important that the sustainable fashion brand has real certification, because we know how this certification you received, you know, because you must prove it, and this is the most important. And also, it was our, how to say, criteria, and it's still now criteria, because even last week one brand started to negotiate with us to come to our platform, because Switzerland, it's a very, how to say, important market for many sustainable brands. But we asked about certification first. And for us, this is the most criteria, the most important criteria. If you don't have certification, sorry, go guys to go certify, and after this we will speak about it, and we will attract you with great pleasure to our platform. Okay. And could you tell me, how did you become a member of the 1% of the Planet program?
I mean, I believe in the market. When we used to work with this one customer, on the label it said, what you buy will be produced, what you will not, will not. It's very simple. So we're looking for like-minded brands and other brands that we worked with in the past. And we found this program, 1% for the Planet. I think Patagonia, also another business partner we had for many years, they're one of the founders. So, and we looked into it, we believed in the cause, and you know, after a while, when you take from the community, you want to give something back, and you want to give it back to the causes that you believe in. So we believe that it would be a good fit for us, and we became a member.
Okay.
Yeah.
And at the end, could you please, Mehmet, would you like to wish to our customers?
Now, what would I like to wish? Good question. I say,
Merry Christmas.
I say, don't worry about the little things in life. Be happy; it will pass.
Yes, it's really great. Great.
And
Okay, Mehmet.
anybody has any questions about the brand or anything in the industry, I mean, we're here through Instagram. You see our page. Feel free to write us a message, and me or somebody from our team will do their best to assist you.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much. We are really, how to say, appreciate it, and we are feeling, we're really feeling it, that it's really, we have, how to say, we have a connection. So thank you very much, Mehmet.
Thank you.
I really appreciate you, this meeting, and have a nice day for you. Goodbye.
Ciao.